To our beloved daughter, Glynis Ardiesame Dablo Arsua, aka Ate Kaykay. Nag-start siya as baby Kaykay, and time flies so fast. Mga kaistorya, and now Ate Kaykay, not only Ate Kaykay but Lady Kaykay na. Because once upon a time, bata pa, baby pa, karon kung wala pa siguro senior high, college na. But na may senior high, so mag senior high pa. Congratulations to our daughter, Ate Kaykay, for finishing with honor the junior high school. Consistently, every year, honor siya. In spite of the fact na lisod kayo di asa siya usifin mag-honor, but she was able to make it. So Ate Kaykay, we love you very much. Your mother Glynis and your Papa Ardi, your ading and baby brother are very proud of you. So because of that, flowers for you Ate Kaykay. We love you very much and congratulations.
Asa tong anak? Ay, tara.